How to add voice effects on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add voice effects on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on the plus button, and choose a video or record a video. I'm gonna choose a video. Click on the check icon. I'm just trying to talk in the video to see the voice effect. Now click on the voice effect and let's see. All you need to do now, if you choose the voice effect you want, click on next or add sounds or edit the video and click on next and you can post the video. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.